For practice, as opposed to using a text editor such as Notepad++ or Sublime, let's employ Microsoft Excel to visualize the lending company single-column data CSV. Most of the times, when we open a CSV with Excel, we see our text files displayed in the following way. All values from a certain row are stored in a single code cell, separated by a comma, where each line starts on a new row in the Excel spreadsheet. This organization of the data shows that the Excel spreadsheet is an example of a flat file. Let's compare how this same file would look if we opened it using Notepad++. The difference between the two is that Notepad will show you the information in text format only, while Excel could display it with different formatting. This shows that depending on the software, reading a text file is one functionality, whereas displaying it to you, the user, is a completely different functionality. In general, in Microsoft Excel, our data is present in the form of a data table with multiple rows and columns. It is a spreadsheet after all, and it will try to fit any data file into its spreadsheet structure. However, that's not what the current state of our lending company CSV is it? And this is the topic of this lecture. We will learn how to parse the CSV into the expected Excel rows and columns. Here's how. Select the column of interest, A. Then go to the Data tab from the main menu and click on Text to Columns to clearly indicate the desired functionality. A new window appears where you can select the file type of your data. Excel has recognized that it is delimited, so you can continue by pressing Next. In Step 2, you have to specify a delimiter. In our case, this will be the comma symbol. Once you select it from the given options, you'll be immediately shown in the Data Preview section that the information will be split into columns accurately. Finally, after you click on Next once more, you can make a preliminary adjustment of the data format of all newly created columns. We won't need this now, so we can confirm with Finish. And now you can see the information has been organized into rows and columns. Nice! The tricky part is that one could save or overwrite this document as a CSV. In Excel terms, this stands for comma-separated value, although it should be thought of rather as a delimiter or character-separated value. However, if you continue to work on this file by applying various formulas or formatting techniques to the information stored in the cells, or if you add more data on a separate sheet, none of these additions will be visible in the data table once you save, close, and reopen the file. This is what happens when you save it as a CSV. If that's the case, you will see just text. Nevertheless, the organization of the information into columns will be preserved. Otherwise, to save formulas and formatting adjustments, you need to save the file in the most widely used Excel format, .xlsx. This difference in storing the file as a CSV or an XLSX corresponds to saving your data as a plain text file with separators, which is what a CSV file in reality is, versus a rich text file containing text with additional formatting. The latter is a type of document Microsoft calls an Excel spreadsheet, which has an extension of XLSX. Great! Now you can roll up your sleeves, as in the next video, we will use Python code to read data from an Excel spreadsheet. Can't wait! See you there!